In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly reorganize a Word document with heading styles and the navigation pane. First, make sure your section titles use heading styles. This is the foundation of everything we're about to do. Select each section title in your document and apply a heading level that matches its importance. Heading 1 for major sections, Heading 2 for subsections, and so on. You'll typically find these in the Styles gallery on the Home tab. Using proper heading levels not only makes your document look consistent, it also turns those titles into movable sections that Word can recognize and manage for you. Next, open the navigation pane so you can see your document structure. Go to the View tab and check the box labeled Navigation Pane. A sidebar will appear, giving you a quick, collapsible outline of your document. In that sidebar, click the Headings tab. This view displays all the headings you just applied arranged in a hierarchy. If you don't see a title listed here, it likely doesn't have a heading style applied. Go back, assign the correct style to that title, and it will appear in the list automatically. Now for the magic, drag and drop a heading to move that entire section. Click and hold the heading you want to move in the navigation pane, then drag it up or down to the new position. As you move it, look for the insertion line that shows where the section will land within the outline. This lets you reorder large chunks of content without scrolling through pages. Release the mouse to reposition the content. Word instantly lifts that section and any nested subsections and places it right where you dropped it. If you change your mind or drop it in the wrong spot, just undo and try again. Finally, review the document to confirm the move. Scroll through the body of your document and check that all text under that heading moved with it automatically. Subheadings, paragraphs, lists, and images that live under that heading should have come along as a single unit. If something stayed behind, it may not have been included under the heading or didn't have the right style applied. Fix the style and repeat the move. That's it. By applying heading styles using the navigation pane's Headings tab and dragging titles to reorder, you can restructure even a long document in seconds while keeping everything neatly organized.